Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. On Friday morning, which is the last trading day of the week, we have witnessed further appreciation in the dollar, and currently against the Indian rupee, it is trading at lifetime high of 57. Yesterday also we saw some appreciation and making a new lifetime high for the dollar. Yesterday the highest level was 56.54, but again today we are seeing more than 1% appreciation in the dollar. For in rupee this is the lifetime low, so the outlook for the Indian economy is becoming more negative due to such valuation of the rupee. Why this has happened is mainly attributed to the downgrading of the 15 major international banks. Now these 15 major international banks include huge banks like Citibank, JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank. As these bank ratings have been downgraded by the rating agency Moody's, there is a huge negative impact on market sentiment. Moody's is mainly citing that these ratings have been downgraded as the profitability of these banks would be impacted due to the current EU crisis and the slowdown in the US. Again, on the US front, we had the flash PMI data coming in negative. It was lower than expected. So this indicates a slowdown in manufacturing growth. This coupled with an increase in the jobless rates, we see the US outlook becoming more and more bleak. The jobs data as well as the manufacturing data along with the sales data, which have been continuously negative for the past 3 months for the US economy, these are the main indicators of economic health. As these three indicators are constantly negative, we see the US economic health is under a lot of threat right now. Also, we had the effect on US dollar index, which values the US dollar against 7 major international currencies, has appreciated by almost 1%. We might find some support for the rupee based on the crude oil prices, which have come down sharply to 89 levels. That is the Brent crude, which is trading at $89 a barrel. Also giving further support to the rupee is the expected open market operations worth 12,000 crores rupees by the RBI. If this comes through, we might see some support for the rupee at the lower levels of 57. Again, there are speculations of RBI coming into the market at 57 levels so as to support the rupee against further devaluation. But if the 57 level is sustained on a closing basis in the spot markets, we could well see the rupee move down till 57.85 levels. In terms of options, we have witnessed a lot of call writing at 57 levels. Hence, we might see a bounce back for the rupee from 57 levels. In terms of euro, the current trend is bearish. We recommend a sell at current levels, and in the downside, we can well target 70.47 in the spot. The trend for yen is also bearish. In the international front, we had the yen falling against the dollar and crossing above 80 levels. Hence, against the Indian rupee, also we might witness some depreciation in the Japanese yen. At current levels, we recommend a fresh short with a target of 69.98 in the spot. For the pound also, the current trend is bearish and we recommend a hold short with a stop loss of 88.96 in the spot. Thank you.